Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Epine du Vale. I'm Dan. Second video of today. I am motoring through these recordings, so I'm going to be unboxing the Forest of Enchantment Tarot. This arrived the other day, I think it was Saturday it was delivered to my Amazon locker. Oh, not my Amazon locker, to his Amazon locker in my house. Because I live in an apartment, it's just easier to get it delivered to the Amazon locker than try and get it delivered to the house or to the block, because if I'm not in, it just makes life so much simpler. It's like a 3-minute walk to the Amazon locker in order for me to pick up the parcel. So yeah, we love Amazon lockers. So take off the cellophane, the plastic wrap. Here we go. So I got an Amazon voucher for signing up for broadband. So I bought some really boring stuff. I bought a toaster, but I also treated myself to this. So I didn't pay anything for it. It was on my list and I'd seen some videos. And I was like, I like the cards. I like how it looks. I like the feel of it. From the other videos that I've watched. So I was like, I'm going to get it. So it's the Forest of Enchantment Tarot by Linnea Weatherstone, and it's been illustrated by Marilla, I'm probably murdering that name, Marilla Allwood. It's by Llewellyn. It is by, of course it's by Llewellyn. It's this style box. So we know that that's the Llewellyn box. So it's a great box. Look at that green. Oh. So let's get into let's get into it and see what we have. So, standard Llewellyn box, which is nice. Beautiful guidebook. It's full colour as well. So it says here, there's magic deep in the woods, between the rushing brook and the sun-dappled glade. When you're ready, shuffle the cards and begin your journey. I like that. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, right, no, I can't. I'm just gonna get straight into the cards and see what we've got, because, oh, this is amazing. Right, let's get straight into the cards. Oh, so exciting, so exciting. Sorry, 2 seconds. So I'm not very well today. I've got a bit of a cough, a bit of a sore throat. So I've been drinking warm drinks, and now I've got, I'm drinking some multivitamins, you know, the effervescent multivitamin tablets that you can get. I thought I'm going to drink one of them. I've got a lovely dinner for tonight planned. Cooking a salmon Wellington with new potatoes and some fresh vegetables and some parsley sauce. So it's gonna be amazing. So I've got to start cooking dinner's got to be ready in about 4 hours. So I'll start cooking very soon and start preparing, because yeah, got to make some magic in the kitchen. Bit of kitchen witchery. Right, let's get into this deck. I'm so excited. So, the backs are just stunning. These 2 owls. So totally reversible. But look at that. They are amazing. Right, I'm so excited. This is such a nice card. Borderless. And the title bar, or the title banner, at the very bottom, is really small and unobtrusive. So this is our full card, and it's the white heart. And look at that. Oh. That is just, I love that card. I love it. It's amazing. Also, I always say this in a lot of my videos, I feel that there's a lot of masculine energy missing from tarot. The divine masculine is missing from the neo-pagan community, the modern neo-pagan community, and that gives me such divine masculine energy. I love that card. Oh, this is so good already. I've just done one card in this deck. It's so amazing. Oh, yes. I'm such a happy boy right now. Oh, and look at this. Oh. So it's the Magician card, but it's called the Enchanter. And look at that wise old dude crafting his magic. And if you look at this magic that he's doing, he's creating life and a miniature forest. Oh, you've got like a little animal skull there and all his books of the knowledge he's gathered. Got a little owl watching down on him. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, this is so good. That's such an amazing card. There's so much in that card. Oh. So, already, after 2 cards, I love this deck. It's amazing. The wise woman. Look at her. Sat under the tree. She's charm casting. She looks like a nana. She looks like someone's nana. That's great. Oh, this is just getting better. Now, I've only watched one walkthrough of this deck. I think it was Simon. No, I've watched 2. I've watched Lisa from Forest of Tarot and Simon from the Hermit's Cave, their walkthroughs of the deck. And I was like, oh my god, this looks so good. So I like started watching, then stopped watching, and this is just... This is giving me all the pagan, witchy feels right now. This is so... I mean, we're only at the 4th card of the deck, and I'm like blown away. And it's the Green Mother. I mean, look at her. Look at that card. Oh, this is... The next card is the Forest Lord. I'm literally going to gush over the majority of the cards in this deck, I think, because it is just... Oh, it's just incredible. It's just... Oh, absolutely incredible. The oldest one. Oh, look at him. Now, I immediately assigned it a masculine energy, but it could be a feminine energy. When you look at that face, it could be either or. I suppose it depends how you connect with that card, but oh, I'm loving this. The Lovers is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The Fairy Wind. Oh, that's giving me 6-year-old Dan memories from being 6 years old and planting a fairy garden and planting a little fairy garden in my great grandmother's back garden, and remember digging and in a big pot that we were able to pick the flowers we wanted to, and we planted this fairy garden and had a little house that we built out of matchsticks for the fairies to live in, and so giving me childhood Dan memories. Ah, so good. The Strength card. It's Little Red Riding Hood-esque, I would say, like when she's an old lady with the red cloak and the wolf. But that is just... Oh, this deck. This deck. Oh, the Hermit. Look at that. Oh. The Enchanter's Wheel. Oh, I like this. Look at that. Oh, and the huntsman. Look at him. Oh my god, this is just unreal. This deck is everything. Suspension. Now, they've obviously changed that. This is clearly the Hangman card. They've obviously changed the names of the cards. I wonder how that would impact. I'm more than happy to use the guidebook when I'm learning a deck. And I've got a lot of decks that are not total, that are based on RWS, but not RWS clones. I have got, what have I got down there? So I've got the Green Witch Tarot, which is based on RWS, but they've changed the names of the cards, and they've got a little bit of different energy. I've got the Dreams of Gaia. I've got the Book of Shadows Tarot. The Wildwood Tarot. I'm more than comfortable branching away from RWS if the feel and the theme of the deck gives me what I need. I have very few pure RWS decks, to be fair. Very few pure ones. I've got all RWS style decks based on, but very few pure traditional RWS decks. Cannot wait to read with this. I mean, oh, look at this. The Black Shook. Oh, there's so much in this card. I mean, look. You've got a little hand down there. They're like gravestones. And there's a book. They are like gravestones. Like it's the dog walking through the graveyard. Oh. This is like every fantasy dream of my childhood is in this deck. Every magical place my brain went to as a kid. Look at this. The dwarves in their little forge crafting magical items. Oh, I'm getting so many fantasy feels. I am loving it already. The Liar. Oh, this is just... The Folly. Starlight. Moonlight is beautiful. The Moon Gazing Hares. Oh. Sunlight. With what appears to be a representation of Pan sat there playing as the sun breaks through the glade. Oh, I'm in love with this deck. The Council of Animals. The Wider World. So that was the major arcana, and what can I say? I am absolutely blown away by every single major arcana card. That was like incredible. Absolutely incredible. My soul deck, I don't think I've ever discussed my soul deck, but the deck I use, my tarot deck that I use the most is the Green Witch. So I think I would say that's my soul deck. This is going to be a very, very big contender. I'm going to have to see how they read, how it reads compared to the Green Witch, because I love the Green Witch. I'm obsessed with the Green Witch Tarot. It's so me. But this is a lot more... This would have been perfect for 13, 14-year-old Witchy Dan. He would have been in his total element. He had all his fingers in all the fantasy pies. He was so deeply connected with everything around him until adult life unfortunately grabbed hold of him and shook him into reality. Teenage me would have been all over this. It's just amazing. I love it already. I mean, I love it. Okay, so focus down. So the minor arcana, they've changed the name. So we're gonna go with okay. Oh, I knew this was gonna happen because it happened on Simon's videos, didn't it? So we've got all the aces, and then it goes that way. So I'm going to have to go through the suits one at a time, so I'm going to have to reorder them. So I'll be back momentarily. Right, I'm back. I've managed to rearrange the minor arcana into their suits, and the suits have been renamed. So you've got the spells, which are the wands, the visions, which are the cups, the challenges, which are the swords, and the boons, which are the pentacles or the coins. So that's really good. Sorry, my phone just flashed up with an email that I have to answer later once I finish this video. They've also renamed the court cards as well. And we'll have a look at that. I think it's Child, Seeker, Weaver, and Keeper. So we'll have a look at those as we go through. So let's start with the suit of spells, which are wands. So we've got the Ace of Spells. It's a dragon. The Two of Spells, and he looks like he's using Oghams as a divination tool. Three of Spells. The Four of Spells. They're really cute little pixies or elves. They're cute, I like them. Very childlike. The Five of Spells. The Six. The Seven. The Eight. The Nine. 10. Then we have the Child. The Seeker. The Weaver. And the Keeper. Now I like those. They are, that you can see the energy running through the entire suit. I like that. I like what they've done with that. So that's that. That's the suit of spells. Next, we'll go to the suit of visions, which is one that I always resonate with, because it gives them emotion. And as we all know, I'm a hyper-emotional person, being a water sign. So we have the Ace of Visions, the 2, the 3, the 4. Oh, he looks so sad. He's missing all the wonder around him. He's missing the kingfisher that's just flying out of the water, the glistening. He's missing the dragonfly behind him. He's missing everything around him. He just looks so glum. Bless him. The 5. The 6. 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, the child, the seeker, the weaver, and the keeper. So that is the suit of visions. And now the suit of challenges. So we have the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, and the 10. And we have the child, the seeker, the weaver, and the keeper. So that's the suit of challenges. And finally, the suit of boons, which is going to be coins or pentacles. So we have the ace, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, the child, the seeker, the weaver, and the keeper. Wow, what can I say? This deck is amazing. I am so excited to start to use this, and I'm going to have to read the book because I want to know a bit more about what she thought when she was designing the cards and if any of them has changed slightly. Really looking forward to using this. It's going to be very difficult to choose a favourite from this deck or my Green Witch. My Green Witch is my old faithful. It served me well, and I love it to pieces. And it always gives me amazing reasons. Amazing readings, pardon me. Yeah, it always gives me amazing readings. Yeah, this is a great deck. I would highly recommend this deck. It's got all the right feels for me. I'll let you know how I go with it. I will definitely let you know how I get on with this one, because it seems absolutely amazing. Anyway, thank you very much for stopping by to have a look at the tarot at the Enchanted Forest Tarot. Hopefully I'll see you very, very soon. But have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.